Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kam Meghalaya College Teachers Association haka henriu tarik unaitung arajar khat khandai kalapan benapai ba bahkan sedang biang da kejingya ki persya yagi bor penya jong St Edmunds College halor ko nongrim bakam shimlas ngap yagi jing dawa jong kani kesenjuk kino hikai college haka jela bantung kam biang yo nong hikai haka subject sociology jong kani ke college u Professor Jefferson Walang u balasya be na kam tang na kadaw bo ulai shimenta haka jingdeng lamayong malapelong daka MCTA jong St Edmunds College Shillong kabalalong hau benai baladep ka President jong MCTA i Dr. BH Buam bat ka General Secretary jong MCTA ikong Amanda Basayomot haka jinga keren bat kilat patai kubor kila keren diau ya ka jingbom sngap bat ka jingbom pendem jong ki bor peniat jong ka St Edmunds College Shillong wat la kino hikai kila bot perking ya ki ain kumala batha da ka sedang biang ya ka jingshim kelas hapo ka college penban na kaliang ki bor peniat jong ka college kidang yai beteng ban pen i bor wat la gani ka senjuk jong kino hikai college kila dawa ban tungkam biang yo Professor Jefferson Walang.
That sporadic incident on the first that had happened, understanding that, we realized as an association that this high-handedness on the part of the management, cannot happen like this. Any member, just for being a part of an association or taking part in a peaceful sit-in protest, is terminated from his services. This is something that as an association, we just simply cannot digest. In fact, if you go further into the background of why particular Mr. Professor Jefferson Walang was a target here, well, the peaceful sit-in protest had nothing to do with Professor Jefferson Walang. He mainly wore the black flag and participated in the sit-in protests just because he was a member. The protests or the issues of the protests were not related to him, but were related to, the general problems that were happening in St. Edmunds College, and in particular, the service regulations that the management was trying to impose on the college post teachers and their high-handedness in total. So we realized that as an association, Jefferson is only a casualty in the whole protest, in which he was not at all related to. Because the cause of this problem is number one is the high-handedness of the management of St. Edmunds College towards the college post. Number two is this relieving or termination of the duties of Professor Jefferson Walang. These have remained the same. Therefore, how can there be an amicable solution to the matter? Therefore, we have decided to call this press conference to make the public aware, to make the press aware, to make the public aware that nothing has been amicably settled, and therefore we will continue on our agitations.
None of us want this. The reason why we have been forced out to come to the streets and face this situation today is because of two reasons. One reason, number one, is because of the obstinate and adamant nature and the refusal of the management of St. Edmunds College to settle this matter internally and amicably. That is one. Number two is, if the professional conduct of Professor Jefferson Walang was flawed, we would not be here. We have heard from many quarters, from St. Edmunds College, from the students, from the past pupils, from his teachers, from his colleagues, that this particular gentleman was a conscientious and a dutiful teacher. He was an all-rounder, he was good in sports, but even when he was a student in St. Edmunds College, in fact he was voted the Edmundian of the Year. and he was a gold medalist in the university. So if Professor Jefferson Waalam had a flawed professional conduct, we would not be supporting him. So let me bring to notice that in the days to come, we will continue with this agitation. But however, keeping in mind the interest of the student community, we are not going to disrupt regular classes. We will look at other modes of agitation and protest. And if the management of St. Edmund's College refuses to comply to our demands, then we will intensify our agitations in the days to come.